tornado emergency for Keysota State. The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for Hibbing County and Central Keysota State, Funkley County and Central Keysota State, Hazleton County and Central Keysota State, Trent County and Central Keysota State, until 10:47 p.m. Daylight Savings Time. At 8:37 p.m. Daylight Savings Time, a large and destructive tornado was located 6 miles southeast of Mizpah County and is moving northeast at 58 miles per hour. Hazard: large and destructive tornado. Source: Doppler radar and storm spotters. Loss of life and property will occur. Take shelter in a basement. If no basement is available, get to the lowest floor of your building and move into the most central room in your building. If caught outside, take cover in a ditch and put your hands over your head to protect yourself from flying debris. You are in a life-threatening situation. Take cover now.